Let's take a look at these IKEA lamps. Saw these in IKEA in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. I've shown you one of these designs earlier. Now they have few more designs and one that even looks like a flower blooming. You can pull the string to open it wider or close it. The prices go from 3,599 to 4,999 or $50 to $60 or so. I think I like the flower one the best. I've only seen the white one. A colored one would be really nice. Also saw this interesting paper light. The edges of it have metal in them, so you can bend the paper as you like and create some really interesting shapes. This costs around 1,390 rupees or $15 or so. Some really interesting designs for lights. Quite nice. Check it out.